make a very chocolatey mug cake. The ingredients that you're going to be needing are 1/4 cup of flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cocoa unsweetened, 2 tablespoons of any kind of oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 3 tablespoons of milk, a few chocolate chunks, and this is an optional, some chocolate icing. The first thing that you're going to be needing to do is add in your 1/4 cup of flour into a mug. Now you're going to want to add in your cocoa powder. Add in your baking soda. Now add in your salt. And stir that with a fork. I'm going to be showing you guys how I sift this into another cup. So first I'm going to grab another mug, grab something to sift it, and I'm going to slowly dump in this mixture. As you can tell, some of the pieces are not even mixed together properly, so we're going to make sure that the sifter helps to incorporate this together. So make sure to do little sections, it's a lot easier to do that. Just giving it a little tap is a lot better. So this is how it looks like after I've sifted all of the dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to be adding in my 3 tablespoons of milk, then you can add your 2 tablespoons of oil, add in your 1 tablespoon of water, and then add in your 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla. If you'd like, you can always add less oil. I used about 1.5 tablespoons, but you can also use 2. So now I'm going to mix this up with a fork. Now that it's in this consistency, I forgot to mention that you have to add sugar. So also you're going to have to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix that in very well. So since my consistency is a bit stretchy, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of water. Now it's the perfect consistency, so I can add in my chocolate chunks. So I'm going to take my chocolate chunks and I'm going to press them in between the cake and make sure to cover it up with the top. So like that. Now we can pop this in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. So this is how the mug cake has turned out after I take it out of the microwave. Make sure to only put this in for 1 minute and 45 seconds. You have to let this cool down for about 2 minutes before you add the icing. So my mug cake has fully cooled down. I'm going to be grabbing my icing and spreading it on the top of the cake. Obviously, it doesn't need to be perfect. You just want some sort of chocolatey figure on the top. And a little bit more. This is just to give it a nice smooth chocolate texture. Our mug cake is finished. This is how it looks like after I've added the icing. This is perfect for any occasion, like if you're ever craving a chocolate cake, this can be made so quickly to have on the go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Turn on that post notification bell to see our other videos. Bye!